How do I test if int value exists in Python Enum without using try/catch? Using the Python Enum plus, is there a way to test if an enum contains a specific int value without using try/catch? With the following plus. How can I test for the value 6, returning true, or the value 7, returning false?
Test for values. Variant 1. Note that an enum has a member called _value2 member _map_, which is undocumented and may be changed/removed in future Python versions. You can test if a value is in your enum against this map. Variant 2. If you do not want to rely on this feature, this is an alternative. Or, probably better, use a set. The in operator will be more efficient. Then test with add has _value to your class. You could then add this as a method to your class. Test for keys. If you want to test for the names, and not the values, I would use _member _names_.
There is a way to have all the enums be able to check if an item is present. Now you can do an easy check. It can even be made simpler if all the enum's values will always be the same type, for example strings. Edit, yet another version, technically the most correct one.
You could use enum._members_ and ordered dictionary mapping names to members.
Building on what Redamachi started. Returns true. Returns false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.